Namaste. We are here with our new program. This is the Christmas season, and at this time, we are glad to present a program which will bring laughter, happiness, and joy into your lives. We are today going to be watching and looking at the Christian Garbas. Garba is a cultural folk event which is very popular in Gujarat. It is celebrated for 9 days during Navratri, normally in November or October, and it is a song and dance which is in praise of Goddess Ambe. But Christian Garbas are the ones where they have changed the lyrics, made new lyrics, where they sing songs of praise to God, to Jesus, sing stories of the Bible are sung and incorporated in lyrics. And this is an amazing way of incorporating and integrating culture with religion. Otherwise, normally when it comes to Christianity, there's a lot of westernization. But here in Gujarat, they have really tried to incorporate and keep the culture intact. And that is the amazing part of this thing. What it gives opportunity is for people to explore their creativity. They will come and write their songs, they will compose songs. So lyricists, musicians all come together and write new songs. Also, it gives the youth a chance to really participate in fun activities and they come together and they dance and enjoy and really celebrate the Christmas season. So we will watch these Christian Garbas now. So let's talk to the organizer, Neville Christian.
Thank you so much for having me here, ma'am.
Thanks for inviting us for this event. Tell us about the event you're organizing.
So, we are organizing Christmas celebration Garba night, and we have been organizing this since year 2011. We would be the pioneer in organizing such events. We were the people who started this legacy of Garba in Gujarat in terms of Christmas celebration Garba. Since 2011, we have been organizing Christmas Garba on specific date, that is 26th of December. And only if I take away the COVID years, apart from those 2 years, we have been organizing Garba, that is over a decade now.
Okay, tell us why is it being called Christian Garba? Because Garbas are traditionally a festival of Hindus, 9 days Navratri festival. That's when they play Garbas. So
Right.
tell us why this is called a Christian Garba.
So, as we know, those 9 days of Navratri, the songs which are played are for praising the Hindu goddess. But when we talk about Christmas Garba, it is whole and soul. The songs are rewritten, they are newly composed, they are sung in such a way that all the lyrics, all the songs give praise only and only to our Jesus Christ Almighty. So this is why it is called Christmas Garba, as well as the crowd which will be having here is only the Christian crowd. The orchestra team is filled with completely all the Christian people.
Okay, and the composers and the lyricists all?
Everyone is Christian.
So apart from Christmas, these Christian Garbas are also held at other occasions?
So, like I said, once we started this in 2011, in next few years, we saw that there are many people have been organizing Christmas Garba. So, there are Christian Christmas Garba in Nadiyad, in Anand, in Baroda as well.
I've heard even in the US they are having this
In
Garba.
US, Canada, my brother is in London. Even in London, they had this Christmas celebration Garba because Gujaratis are everywhere.
That is true. That is true. Also, are they also having it at weddings? Christian Garba?
Yes. So before the wedding day, while we have this Thanksgiving meeting, after Thanksgiving meeting, generally people tend to have this musical night. So on that day, we have Garba as well.
We are going to speak to the music director, composer, lyricist, and singer Jimmy Bhai. So let's get.
Hi.
Just tell me about yourself. How
Oh.
long you've been singing these songs? And yeah,
Since 30 years, I
30
think.
years.
30,
You have
more
been
than 30 years.
composing songs, singing, writing lyrics
Yes, yes,
for a long time.
yes.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about why are they called Christian Garbas as compared to
Yeah, as
regular
compared to regular
Garbas.
Garba, this is Christian Garba because the lyrics is from the Bible. We took some chapters, we took some stories, and we write it and we compose it. So
Okay.
that's why it is Christian Garba.
So why do you want to do Garbas? There's some controversy about whether we should be doing a cultural event which is having its roots in another religion. What do you have to say about that?
No, it's not about religion. It's about culture. It's about folk culture. So Garba is Gujarati folk, and we want to,
Not leave the
celebrate.
culture?
We don't
Yes.
want to leave the culture. Yes, that's why.
Okay, and what about the youth? They don't get to go for, I mean, they don't go for Navratri.
Yes.
So this is their time to.
Yes, this is their time.
To
Definitely
connect
their
with
time
their roots?
to connect with their roots. Yes,
Okay,
and this is the time to celebrate.
great. Yes,
Yes,
Christmas time.
yes.
Do you want to tell me one or two songs which you have written and maybe you can tell us a meaning so we will know what kind of songs are sung?
ईश्वर ना जयकारो होकर जो ईश्वर ना जयकारो हरित बिडो में रोज चलावे चरवाली लो चारो होकर जो ईश्वर ना जयकारो. So this is Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd. So that's the story behind this.
We as a Christian priest and we as a Christian of Gujarati, we follow Jesus Christ as our personal savior. But we also accept our Gujarati culture like Garba and all the folk dance in Gujarat. We use Gujarati Garba and Gujarati culture in our Bible's word according to our Jesus Christ birth story and life story and also the story of resurrection of Jesus Christ. And we use sometime Gujarati dress also in our Gujarati culture. So we follow strongly Jesus is our savior, but we as a Christian accept Gujarati culture also. Thank you.
आपका नाम क्या है?
डेजिल
डेजिल। डेजिल, आप यहाँ पे गरबा पहली बार कर रहे हो क्या?
नहीं नहीं, हर साल होता है गरबा 26 को, तो हम हर साल गरबा करते
तो आपने कहाँ से सीखा गरबा?
हैं। कहीं से सीखा नहीं है, बस खुद से आता है थोड़ा बहुत तो कर रही हूँ।
और क्या लगता है आपको, नवरात्रि के गरबे होते हैं तब जाती हो आप?
हमारे रिलीजन में जब गरबे होते हैं तो ज़्यादा लोग इन्वॉल्व होते हैं, क्योंकि क्रिश्चियन गरबा जैसा कुछ एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, तो ज़्यादा क्रिश्चियंस को गैदर करने के लिए हम 26 को ये प्रोग्राम रखते हैं।
और कैसा लग रहा है आपको क्रिश्चियन गरबा
बहुत
होता
अच्छा
है?
लगता है।
My name is Abhishek.
Abhishek.
Abhishek Christian.
So Abhishek, tell me about this garbas. What do you think of Christian garbas? And
Garba.
why is it good? Isn't it culturally different or
See,
divisive?
each and every culture is different from each other, and every color has its own vibes and an own passion about it. So I won't say that it is different, but yes, definitely it is different, and it is vibrant. It is also a hope of gathering, and we meet our friends and families over here where we're not able to meet them in the entire year. So they gather over here in Garba, and we make friends who knows more Garba. So these are how our connections are also there. But we don't know each other by names.
You want to see the camera and
So yeah,
tell
we don't know each other by names, but then we know each other by the Garba steps we do, or by the what we have got so far in the circle. So again, it is for the glory of God. It is this gathering is also this is all mercies of God, and because of Him we are here. So yes, again, this is a joyful moment, and yes, it is vibrant. It is different from others.
So you can see that we have seen a lot of dancing, Gujarati Garbas here. You have seen how beautifully the Gujarati Christian community has incorporated the culture of folk dancing along with their own religion, their songs. They have put their own lyrics and they have not left their culture. They have kept their culture intact, but they have yet followed their own religion and they have followed Christ along with this. So, what do you think of this? Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I would definitely like to hear your comments. Thank you.